Hello guys, I'm talking about my cockatiels today, and so I'm going to tell you all a little bit of information what I know about cockatiels. So here we go. Cockatiels you should always feed every day, at least twice a day, but you don't overfeed them. That's the thing. Clean water, clean bed sheets, clean food. That is about all you need. Play with them. At first, when you're a beginner, play with them for how long you want to. So at least they get to know you better. Don't put your finger in or your hand when you get it first off all, because they'll get frightened. They'll think, oh no, that's a stranger, let's back away. But at first, don't bother, because they'll just not like you. And then, this is Millie. You feed this to them. You feed that to them when they've been good or something, or when they've done a good thing. I get it from Pets at Home. It's called cockatiel sticks. It's called cockatiel and lovebird sticks with honey. That I get from Pets at Home, or as we call it, the holly bush. But most of all, you get it from the holly bush, because that's where you buy your birds from sometimes, and your rabbits and your pets and that. But most of all, you can get it from Pets at Home. Yeah, so I would, if I was you, but I put one out because they finished it. Apparently, it's good for them because they can sharpen the beaks, but I don't like them because apparently they can't get splinters in these. Yeah, so my cockatiels are Elvis and Leo. I feed mine once a day because I have to leave them if they don't want to be picked up, then that's fair enough. But when they're finished chewing on them, then throw the sticks in the bin because they can break easy, as you can tell. So, as I've done, I'm going to throw it in the bin today and get another one tomorrow for the weekend, for next weekend when I'm here. But I don't want to get another one today because it won't last. These have got a best before date on. I don't know what the date is, but I've got to give it to them. So I've done that. But I've got to give the last one to them before it runs out. In fact, let's have a look what day it finishes. Best before 1st 2019. So basically, it can finish any time on the 1st. But I would give them at least a big scoop of food. I don't mind, okay? Like, subscribe, and comment, please. Bye. Bye-bye.